Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do some makeup that I've never heard of. Never heard of it. I don't know. It is called The Color Workshop. And here is everything that we need. Now I do already have my Wet n Wild Photo Focus soft beige foundation on. But we have blush, contour, highlight, bronzer, lip primer, eyeshadow primer. Can you believe this? And here's lip gloss. And then here's your different eyeshadows. You have Smoky, Nude, Renaissance, and Spectrum. Now we're going to take this bad boy out because I've not even took it out of the packaging. So, it's a little book. Like, you just flip it open and there you go. It's called Make My Face Complete Color Compact. So this is all you need to do your makeup. Hopefully. So, we're going to give it a go. Now, here is our palette. There's the eyeshadows, and then blush, contour, highlight, bronze, eyeshadow primer, lip primer, and your lip. And then you have two little brushes. You have a little brush that looks like that. It's just, we're not going to use that. And then another brush that I'm trying to get out, and I think one end is supposed to be for your lip gloss, which I will use that one just to use it. And I think this one's just for the eyeshadow, but I am going to start with blush. I don't know if you can see those colors. I'm going to go in with this one right here, but there's no names for anything. It's just colors. I'm going to take my Real Techniques blush brush that I always use, and we're just going to dip in there. And I don't have a mirror. So I've got the blush on. I should have done the others first, but I didn't. I forgot. I'm just getting carried away here. Okay, now I am going to actually go in with the contour. This one right here. And it's not very dark. We're going to do it anyways. Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Very, very powdery. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is very powdery. Is it going on? Barely.
A little bit.
We'll just move along.
Now I'm just going to get a little bit and run it down the sides of my nose. Okay. I don't know. Okie dokie. The bronzer, it's glittery, and I don't want a glittery bronzer. I don't want to be a glitter face. So I'm just going to take the contour a little bit and just kind of run it up and down the face like you would put your bronzer, but we're going to just do the contour. Okay. Now we're going to put the highlighter on. This stuff is like really, really powdery. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put this highlight on. Just give it a little bit of. Can you all even see that at all?
I mean, I can see it a little bit, but you're okay. This stuff is really, really powdery.
Yeah, I can see it right there too. Can y'all see it? Okay, let's move on. These two right here is what they said was the eyeshadow primer. So, I guess we'll just put one on. I'm just going to use my finger and get it warm and... Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the lip primer on just so it'll be priming. This one right here that's what they said the lip primer was, so I'm going to use it. We're going to try.
It's actually giving me color. Okay.
Alright. Now we're going to the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this color right here and just kind of set my eyes. Like, and the primer, the eyeshadow primer has made it kind of hard to blend this out. Okay, I'm going to start out with this color right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease, maybe as like the transition color.
Okay, get a little bit of color. I hope you all can see that.
I put it like in the crease and like a little bit out of the crease because I have like a little bit of a hooded eye, so I want my color to come. I want you to see my color, so I put it, you know, kind of up here, so on my brow bone. I am going to go in with this pinky color right here. I'm going to go in with that one. Oh, I see color. Okay, I am going to attempt to do a sparkle color here. And I'm going to put that one all over, just all over the eyelid. I hope this is not a spray over. I hope this is all glitter. I'm going to go in with that one right there because it's all glitter. It's supposed to be all glitter. And I think it's a spray over. It's not even the same color now. You guys, this is not even the same color now. It's not even pink now. It's like brown. It's like a brown orange now. Okay, that is very upsetting. Let's check out another sparkle. Okay, look at this one. You see that one? It looks kind of white. Okay? It's a little bit... Okay, now, here's what's going to happen. It's a little bit gold. And now it is a dark brown. It totally changed colors. Totally changed colors. Let's see what happens. I'm going to spray some setting spray on it. And let's just see what it does. Nope, nothing.
I'm disappointed. I really am.
Can you all see that? It's just brown. Just brown.
I can't believe that's doing that. That's just crazy.
No glitter at all. I really wanted a glitter color. I guess, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this white here and see what happens. That's really white. I'm going in with this color right here. Well, it was dark. It's dark in the pan. It's really hard to put on with this thing too. I'm just telling you that. Oh, sorry. And my lips really look bad. Like this little brush takes them like out of the lines. You have to use so much. Look at this. I've already hit pan on it. Literally, I've already hit pan. All right. Oh, okay, well, I will tell you, I did mean to tell you, but this was only $6. So, look, I've even got lipstick down here on my chin. I don't know how that happened at all. Okay. I'm going to close that. Now this setting spray is by Maybelline. It's Master Fix. I really do like this stuff. I use it quite a bit. This is my second bottle in 2017. So, but I really do like this stuff. Wear boosting setting spray, locks in makeup, long lasting finish, translucent, oil free. Good stuff. All right. Okay, so I put a little bit of eyeliner on and mascara to try to make the look complete, but I don't like it. At least now you know. Don't go get it. Now, yeah, there's powder all over the whole thing. This is a hot mess. Like, I'm telling you, this is a hot mess. Where I closed it, all of the powder from the eyeshadows, it's all over the bottom part. Then the brush just fell out. Okay, look at that. This is the eyeshadow primers, and that's the lip primer, and look at all this. That's eyeshadow that's fell on it, and then there's where I hit pan, there's eyeshadow in it. And then all along here, everywhere. Look at, wow. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm glad it was just $6. Is that nice enough to say about it? Okay. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed this makeup fiasco that we had here today. The lipstick is a different color than what I wanted. There's no sparkle. That's what I wanted. But, okay. Well, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you had fun. Bye, guys.